Yeah, guys, look at this, guys. Call him Birdie. Juliana's scared of that bird. There's no flu in this bird. I think it's hurt. You okay? It's okay. Go fly. Go fly.
Well done.
I got a new pet. I'm gonna cook it later. Go pet him. Yeah, pet him. Oh, say.
His eyes are closed.
Go pet him. Choo. He's not gonna bite.
Aww.
What's that, dog? Alright, guys. I'm not gonna see Juliana for a while.
2 weeks, bro.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
You're gonna miss me. I'm going to Philippines. And that's Juliana, by the way. It's Jamie. Hey, hey, hey. And Adrian. Adrian, where's Luciano? Hey, where's Luciano?
Luciano pulled his fucking drawing.
Oh, poor thing.
You wanna say hi to your fans?
I'll see ya. Be safe. Have fun.
See ya. Thank you. I'll bring you some coconuts. So guys, I just want you guys to invite and subscribe to my new adventure coming up this year. This adventure is for my parents. You see, my parents I never seen them for a while, so I'm gonna visit them in the Philippines. I'm leaving here Friday 1 a.m. in the morning, and so my last day is tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the Philippines, and I would like to say make a lot of shout out to Juliana, Adrian, and Jamie. Alright, they're my co-workers. I'll bring you guys snacks when I come back. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. I'll be posting videos on my YouTube channel. So this is TGF Adventure again, guys. Welcome to my channel. Yan guys, dito na tayo sa Boston Logan Airport. I think doon tayo pupunta. Let's go.